friends some Parikshet from Kids Fun Long Club and Young Draw Friday Night
Friday Night Funkin'.
Clever.
Yeah. So what do we need to draw?
We need a black pen and paper, scissors, a few colors, and let's start drawing.
Let's start drawing.
Let's start with the
face. Okay.
Okay.
Let's start with the eyes. It's a very different kind of an eye.
She has round eyes. He has this type.
We start on the top area. Okay.
We have round eyes and see how.
Because we'll be drawing the full body. We need some space at the bottom. That's why we are keeping the eyes at the top.
Yeah. See now what kind of.
It's a different shape of eye.
Yeah.
And the front hairs.
Yeah, people are kind of fun.
Okay.
Some people.
And the cunning smiling face.
What is cunning?
Google and find out the meaning.
You also don't know.
No, I also don't know.
What are you doing?
Okay. Now what do we do?
Let's make the hairs.
Now we're next to the hairs.
What kind of hair does he have?
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
You're going to leave some space.
And now.
Papa, wait. I'm getting a little confused.
No.
Like this. Like this.
Yes.
Then
And what does he have got on his head?
horns.
Yeah. Looks to be a cunning man.
He's not a cunning man. He's a cunning boy.
Cunning boy. Oh, looks like it's a girl. Friday Night Funkin'.
No, he's not.
No? Okay, now let's continue drawing with the body. Okay, now let's first make the pony.
If he has a pony, now see he will be a girl. But the clothes are not going to be like a pony.
Okay, the collar
Next photo you draw.
and the bow.
Oh wait. Papa,
Yeah,
this is a businessman type of bow.
yeah.
And obviously then it will not be a girl.
Why?
No.
It's a businesswoman kind of. She's dressed like a businesswoman.
Yeah. But has a pony.
Yes.
Papa, next we are going to draw Evil Sonic.
Okay. Ta-da-da.
What is that? What is that?
Okay, now let's draw the body part. The hands.
What that?
He's singing with a mic in the hand.
It's difficult. This one is difficult actually.
Make it. I'm waiting for you. So if you are slow, you can easily catch up with us. With me.
Wait.
Okay. No.
But did I make it too big?
No, it's okay. Perfect. Okay. Now the legs.
What kind of leg does he have? Is this only his leg?
She
What's he?
has shoes.
Oh. Whoever this is, this has a girl type of shoe. Right, Papa?
Yes.
What are you doing?
The legs are done.
Papa, for this leg, can you just draw for me? I don't know. Let's complete with this hand.
Now let's draw the mic.
And the hand that
and the hands that holds the mic.
Yeah.
How will we do that?
I don't know.
Let's simple see. One finger.
Oh, wait.
Two finger.
Wait. Like this.
Three fingers.
Three fingers. What are you touching?
And the fourth finger.
It's the thumb.
No, fourth finger is not the thumb. The fifth finger is the thumb. And
Now the thumb.
the mic.
Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam.
Okay.
Bam, bam, bam.
And it has also a surprise. Wings. Wow, that's lovely.
Yeah, there is one moving, I think.
And one on this side.
Yeah. What kind of drawing is this also actually?
Why?
What kind of this could be?
What do you mean by that?
What human being is going to be like this?
It's evil.
It's not an evil also.
Yes. Wow, we are done with the drawing. And now let's quickly.
Papa, did it get a little confusing in this?
It's okay. Now let's quickly color it. Start with the black color.
First, wait. I will do.
Start with the black color.
No, but
We color the wings with the black color.
oh hello. Why did you give me to do it in black color?
Sorry.
You use this. That's not a nice black color.
Is it?
No.
Why is it so? Oh.
Is it dried?
Yeah, looks like.
Use the other color for them. What you do to that? Huh? Did you just throw it into the dustbin?
Yes.
Or you just threw it on the floor?
I threw it in the dust.
Okay. Oh, that's the dustbin.
This is done.
I have to color in the wings. How about?
No, I'm coloring whatever you are coloring.
You are finished with the wings, okay?
Okay.
Even the cap of this. Now where should I start it? This color
Okay.
for the body.
Did you color the neck?
Huh?
The neck?
Neck. Oh, that's hard. Oh, God.
Okay, this is done. The horns are also done. Now, should I take your pink color?
Okay, I'll get mine. And on the skin color. Papa, I'm like almost done. Papa, this boy has a face like pinkish thing. Pink and skin color.
No.
Yeah, he has. Hey. Where is the light pink color?
So are you done with the drawing, Parikshet?
No, we have to color his face.
Make it quick. I won't color his face.
No, you have.
No, I won't.
If you have to, then it will not
I
look.
won't.
Hey, it will not look like then, Papa.
Yes, it will.
No, it's not looking. Do you use this color?
No.
Papa, it is not looking like.
Make it fast.
Papa, it's not looking like.
Color it fast.
Papa, it's not looking like. Color it.
I will do that. I'm waiting for you to do it. Let's wait for Parikshet to get done with his drawing and coloring. And by the time Parikshet finishes with his coloring,
Papa.
parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub. And kids, if you have troubles in drawing, if you are facing it difficult, if you're finding it difficult, pause the drawing, slow the drawing, go back, come again. It's more important that you learn how to draw.
Yeah.
Yes, like Parikshet, you also need to learn and have fun.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Good.
You do.
I won't. Parikshet, I won't.
Please.
I don't want to. Come on.
Just
We are done. I don't want to.
I think you started with this, at least color the pony. You started with the pony and you left it. You other designed it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are done with the drawing of Friday Night Funkin'
Yeah.
with Parikshet and Kids Fun Learn Club.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the drawing.
Drawing. And have a good day.
That's what you have to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like and subscribe my channel
Bye bye.
to see more videos.